Hi guys, today we're fixing a Z Propel Nano. So this little guy has 3 speeds, and the first speed is really good if you're like indoors or anything like that. If you hit anything or crash somewhere, it's just gonna cut off the engines and motors, and it's not gonna cause damage. What happened to me was I was outside, and it was a little windy, so I shifted to 3rd speed, and after the 1st speed you don't have that kind of protection. So if you hit and you don't cut off the motors, there is a chance that you might damage the motors, and that actually happened to me. So as you can see, 3 motors are spinning freely, but the 4th one is the one that snags. What happened was when I hit, it was still on, and the current kind of heated up, and then the rotor inside just got heated and bent, so it's out of commission. What I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna use one of the old drones. This is my neighbor's drone. He crashed it the same way I did this one, and one of his motors burned out, and we're gonna use this one as a donor for that one. So first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna disassemble this one and take the motor, the same motor, and just transfer it to this drone here. So let's get on with it. First thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take off this frame. And basically, before that, I already one time disassembled this one, so there are no screws. So I'm just gonna open it up. Yeah, just open it up, and then I'm gonna. I hope there are no screws. You know what? I only left 2 screws in, so I'm just gonna remove those. So yeah, actually 4. So the central ones are inside. So we're using this one as a donor. We can use motors. We can use a battery. Swap these parts out. So that's always good. Like if you have a toy that's that's broken or damaged, don't toss it away. You can always salvage some parts and reuse it for something else. Yeah, alright. Okay, and we're inside. So basically we're just gonna take this motor here. Yes, this one. Yep. Okay, so it's the one on the left. Let's check. Yeah, that's the one on the left. So we're gonna remove that one and swap it here. Just gonna move this to the side, and I'm gonna plug in my soldering iron so it heats up. And while it does that, I'm just gonna disassemble this one. Take off the frame, and it's really easy. Alright, so just gonna take off the propeller using a propeller removal tool. Alright, so I'm only gonna remove this one. Alright, I'm gonna turn it around, and I'm gonna remove all the screws. Alright. Alright, it's coming nicely. Alright, and I got it off. So here we go. So I'm just gonna take out this motor out. It's nice and snug in there. Okay, and then I'm just gonna use my soldering iron. Let's see if it's hot enough. Yep, it is. just gonna be careful to remove the wire. Okay. Yep. The other side as well. Alright, so that's removed. That's the old one. So I'm gonna take the one that's over here. Just gonna do the same thing here. I'm gonna, oh snap, actually I got it wrong. No, it's fine. Alright, basically these two are the same, so I'm just gonna alright, turn it around. Basically this is the motor that I want, this one here. Alright. Alright, that's nice. Okay, just insert it here. Now, gotta be careful putting it back. Same way I did before. Beautiful. Okay. Now this one as well. Beautiful. Alright. Let's check that. Looks fine. Alright, so what I'm gonna do, I don't recommend doing this, but I'm gonna do it anyway. So I'm just gonna turn it around, put the propeller back on. Okay, spins freely. Just gonna turn it on, and I'm gonna try to start the thing. So, all right. Wish me luck. Alright, that's good. Alright. Oh yeah, the motor went down, okay. Okay, that's good. Well, all of them work, that's important. Just gonna turn it off, and then I'm gonna put back the casing and put the screws in, and that's about it. We fixed this one. Awesome. Alright. That's about it. Let's see. Okay, they're all spinning nicely. That's good. Let's turn it on and do one more test. Let's see if it's gonna spin nicely. Alright, just gonna hold it like so. I'm gonna bind it, and then start. Yep, guys, that's it. The drone is ready. It's fixed. I used the old one as a donor. I transferred one of the motors. Of course, you can always order, same motors online. They're just basically generic motors, and put the new one in. Yeah, but that's it. This guy is ready to fly again. Just as long as I don't, crash it into the ground or something like that. Well, Well guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, just like it and share it. If you didn't, no biggie. I'll see you next time, and stay fly. Thank you guys for watching.